Domestic partnership versus marriage in New York. What are the key differences? Many couples in New York weigh domestic partnership against marriage when planning their future. Understanding legal recognition and benefits helps you choose the relationship structure that fits your goals. A domestic partnership under New York City Administrative Code Sections 3240 through 3245 is a city-level legal relationship for two adults who share a committed personal life. It is available to same-sex and different-sex couples who are at least 18, reside together, and meet residency or employment requirements. Partners cannot be married, cannot be related in a way that would bar marriage, and cannot have been in another domestic partnership within the past 6 months. Registration requires an in-person appointment at the city clerk's office, signing a notarized affidavit, and paying a $35 fee. Domestic partnerships are not recognized by federal law, so partners cannot file joint federal taxes, claim Social Security benefits, or sponsor a partner for immigration. They do provide local benefits including hospital visitation rights, bereavement and childcare leave for city employees, and succession rights in rent-stabilized housing. There is no automatic right to spousal support, inheritance, or federal tax benefits for domestic partners. Marriage in New York is a civil contract under New York Domestic Relations Law Section 10 and is recognized at both the state and federal level. Couples obtain a marriage license through the city clerk, pay a $35 fee, wait 24 hours, and have their ceremony performed by an authorized officiant. After the ceremony, the officiant returns the signed license and the couple receives a certificate of marriage registration. Marriage opens access to joint federal and state tax filing, Social Security survivor benefits, automatic inheritance rights, and statutory spousal support. New York does not create common law marriage, but it may recognize one validly formed in another state. Domestic partners must rely on separate agreements like cohabitation contracts, powers of attorney, and healthcare proxies to fill gaps in legal protection. Taxes differ because domestic partners are treated as unrelated individuals for federal tax purposes and cannot utilize the unlimited marital deduction. Employer-provided health insurance for a domestic partner is usually taxable to the employee, unlike spousal coverage. In New York State, domestic partners generally file as single or head of household, while married couples file jointly or separately with different tax brackets. When a domestic partnership ends, one partner files a termination statement with the city clerk, and the relationship dissolves if either partner marries someone else. Courts may need to resolve property or child-related issues for domestic partners, but equitable distribution rules do not apply. Child custody disputes are decided under the best interests of the child standard, and child support is calculated under New York Family Court Act Section 413. Ending a marriage requires a formal divorce proceeding in the Supreme Court, where courts divide marital property equitably and may award maintenance based on statutory factors. Spousal support is available in divorce, but there is no statutory right to support for domestic partners. Choosing between a domestic partnership and marriage depends on your financial situation, whether you need federal benefits, and how you want property and inheritance handled. A domestic partnership may suit couples seeking local recognition and flexibility without the full legal framework of marriage. Marriage offers the most comprehensive legal protections, including federal benefits, estate planning advantages, and access to the equitable distribution system. An experienced lawyer can explain how these options apply to your circumstances and help you draft documents to safeguard your rights. A knowledgeable attorney understands the nuances of New York family law and will tailor advice to your needs. The law firm you choose should provide clear guidance on registration, tax implications, estate planning, and relationship dissolution. Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer is a family law firm that offers consultations to discuss domestic partnership and marriage in New York City. Contact our attorney at 212-537-5859 or visit our office at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, United States for personalized guidance.